Very good afternoon, children. I hope you all are ready with your copy and pen. Okay, so all the best for today's test. And children, one more things I want to share you. Don't think only MCQs type questions are coming in your exam. Long questions are also coming in your exam. And today I have given you long question also. So please children, don't think ki only MCQs questions we have to learn. And you have to learn and write all the long questions also. Next week again I will take test. So please be prepared and start learning long questions also. Right? And children, after completing my class, I will give you only 5 minutes and you have to send your notes through WhatsApp. Okay, so I am sharing the question.
रेगुलर आप कौन सा क्लास में लेते हो? क्लास रेगुलर जो ले रहे हो आप वो फिक्स की है। आप देखते हो एक मिनट 9 बजे जो ना तो
मतलब you people are na like a small kid. स्क्रिबलिंग कौन कर रहा था स्क्रीन में? मैं नाम बताऊं? So this is the question. Daddy fell into the pond. Total I have given 10 questions. 2 marks means total 20 marks. Please children, start writing. We don't have enough time. And camera should be on. If I am not able to see your face, I will put absent mark. Vinamra Pincha.
Yes, ma'am.
Good hairstyle, Vinamra. Good hairstyle.
Yes, ma'am.
Good hairstyle.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are focusing your hairstyle, but not focusing your studies. So now complete it fast.
Ma'am, we have to write in English copy.
Yes, obviously. Any copy you can write. Test copy you can make. You can make any test copy and write down all the answers. Vaibhav 1.
मैम सिर्फ आंसर लिखना है ना?
I don't know Hindi.
Gloomy answer.
Okay, Suyesh Kochar.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
I want to see your face. Otherwise, I will put absent mark.
Yes, ma'am.
Deshna Jain.
Yes, ma'am.
Deshna, please tell me what is your problem, beta? आपका क्या problem है? Why are you not attending the class? Deshna, क्यों
Yes, ma'am.
करते हो बेटा daily class? Yesterday you were absent. Please give me the answer. what you are thinking? All the teachers are full. They are taking class from school. They are coming, making the class, completing the preparing the question answers. Please, Deshna, I don't expect from you. I don't expect. You are very sincere girl. If you are doing like this, so what about the other kids? I already told you so many times, please Deshna, attend the class, attend class. But you are not attending the class.
Sorry, ma'am.
No sorry, I already told you. I called you also so many times. I am very disappointed beta.
मैम मैं डेली क्लास अटेंड
डेली अटेंड करना है क्लास, ठीक है? अब मैं टेस्ट लूंगी, रिटन टेस्ट होगा, एनुअल में एमसीक्यूज नहीं आएगा।
मैम मैम अभी मेरे को जितना याद है मैं उतना लिख दूं
बिल्कुल
क्योंकि
बिल्कुल। समीक्षा,
मैम वी हैव टू राइट क्वेश्चंस आल्सो
no need to write questions, only write the answers. Plus don't
Okay, ma'am.
forget to write your name, class, roll number and the numbering also.
Yes ma'am I know
Okay. Priyansh, are you writing?
Yes ma'am.
Good. Gaurav Chopra, are you writing, Gaurav?
Yes ma'am.
Complete it, and please, your handwriting should be very neat and clean. Priya,
Yes ma'am.
Priya Jain. Who is Priya Jain?
मैम मैं हूँ दक्षिता
Dakshita. So please change your name. I'm reading. Nishtay, do fast. First, question number 1. What is the word meaning of grumble? What is the word meaning of dismal? What is the word meaning of draft? What is the word meaning of duckweed? Who is the poet of Daddy Fell into the Pond? What was everyone doing just before Daddy fell into the pond? Who danced for sheer delight? Who else loved to see Daddy's plight? What does the poet means the grey color in this poem? Who fell into the pond? Ronak Jain, camera on karo. And Dhairya Jain, I want to see your face. Vinamra, Babar Jain 2. Babar Jain 2, कैमरा ऑफ एक बार के लिए भी नहीं होगा. Yes, Molly.
Yes ma'am.
Want to ask something?
No ma'am.
You have raised your hand. Okay. Arush Durgeshi. विनम्र पिंचा, कैमरा ऑफ नहीं होगा बिल्कुल भी. डोंट स्विच ऑफ योर कैमरा. धैर्य जैन, आर यू राइटिंग? Don't forget to write your name. I will not accept any copy without name, class, and I will not check also. After completing this copy, take a screenshot or take a photograph through Cam Scanner. So please download Cam Scanner, take a PDF file, then send me in my through WhatsApp number. And handwriting should be very neat and clean. जी सर, हाँ सर बोलिए। Priya Jain, please. ये Dakshita Jain, switch on your camera. आरुष दुर्गेशी, कैमरा ऑन करो। आरुष,
है
yes, tell me.
है मैम इतना ही है।
इतना ही, that much only. 10 questions for 2 marks. No need to write the question, only write the answer. Only write the answer. Handwriting should be very neat and clean. Don't forget to write your name. जी सर। हाँ, साई राम R1. Nischay, how many questions are left?
मैम only 3.
Only 3 questions are left.
That means he was happy. Dance for मैम क्वेश्चन।
एक मिनट। Sorry Surana. Sorry Surana. Sorry Surana. Can you hear me, Saurya? I want to see your face, Saurya.
Yes.
Okay.
मैम
Yes.
मुझे 9 समझ में नहीं आ
कौन सा क्वेश्चन? क्वेश्चन 9. What does the poet mean by gray color in this poem? In this poem, poet was used this color, gray color. So what is the meaning of gray color? The sky was gray, likha hai na in this poem. So what is the meaning of gray color? I have told you the answer when I was taking the revision. That time I already told you. So please children, today onwards start learning all the long questions also. And next class when I'll take test, I will check anyone's copy. Anytime I can ask you, show me your copy. So you have to show. Dhanvi Jain, are you writing Dhanvi?
मैम
Yes.
मैम से इतना मैंने लिखा था चैप्टर और याद भी किया था बट मैम वो वाली कॉपी ना भी मैंने तो नानी घर गई ना तो कॉपी वो लाई नहीं वो वाली कॉपी मैं और मेरे को
No, that,
थोड़ा भूल कर
no, Dhanvi, first of all, speak in English. I don't know Hindi. You are always speaking in Hindi. First of all, and second of all, I don't know, that is your problem. You forgot to bring copy from your nanny's house. So that is your responsibility to collect the copy from your grandparent house. But you have to learn all the question answer. So that you have to arrange the copy. I don't know how you will arrange. मुझे नहीं पता आप कैसे अरेंज करोगे. Okay, Dhanvi?
ओके मैम बट मैम मैं 12:30 तक को सेंड कर दूंगी
Now I'll give the answer paper. Time is not there. It's already 12:23. Ronak Jain, how many questions are left?
मैम 4
4 questions are left.
मैम एलएमएस में मैम 2 चैप्टर छोड़ के आगे का आ रहा है मैम
So many chapters, na? As per CBSE's order, I have omitted so many chapters. So I have uploaded all the chapters, but I have omitted also some chapters. So no need to learn that omitted chapter. जो omit हो गया वो learn करने की जरूरत नहीं है. I have uploaded the chapter which chapters is coming in your exam. Deshna Jain.
यस मैम
Are you writing?
यस मैम
Dhanvi, are you writing?
यस मैम
Suyesh, how many questions are left, Suyesh?
मैम 3 also 8 9 and 10
8, 9 and...
मैम 7 are done मैम दिखाऊं
Okay, no need to show. You just tell me when you will send your notes. When you will send your notes. Yes, Suyesh, when you will send your notes.
मैम क्लास के बाद 5 मिनट में कर दूंगा
No, not this note. I'm talking about notes, chapters के जो notes, question answer बचे हैं आपके. When you will send?
मैम मेरा ये डैडी फेल इनटू द पॉन्ड तक हो गया आज मैं वो भी सेंड कर दूं
Yes. And
पूरा हो गया. Daddy fell into the pond.
how many chapters are left?
When Daddy fell into the pond के आगे भी है.
हाँ,
आप करा दिए.
हाँ.
मैम कितना चैप्टर हो गया है?
Daddy fell into the pond के बाद भी 2 chapters है. How many chapters are coming in annual exam that you know or don't know?
मैम
The pond, after that Sudhamurti is also there. That is also coming in your annual exam. Okay, so only one chapter is left. That is Sudhamurti. So that you has to be done.
यस मैम.
That has to be done.
मैम मैं थोड़े दिन में आपको वो भी करके भेज दूंगा.
No, I don't know थोड़ी दिन. I want only 1 days, means before Sunday. I want your notes. Before Sunday.
क्या चल रहा है?
वहाँ पर गद्दी की चादर वादर ठीक करना चाहिए. ऐसी छोड़ छाड़ के चला जाता.
Before Sunday,
Okay.
I need your notes. कुछ ही
अरे निकल.
कुछ दिन.
अरे उसकी क्लास चल रही नहीं बोला अपन बोल रहे ना.
Is finished. So before Sunday, I want notes. That chapter means you have completed up to Daddy fell into the pond. So one chapter is only left. So only one chapter, na. So before Sunday, you can easily send. Okay. Kavya, completed.
Ma'am, one question left.
प्रियांश, मैं इसको एब्सेंट करूंगी. कैमरा ऑन नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल एब्सेंट करूंगी. Vaibhav Jain, what are you doing? Vaibhav Jain, what are you doing? Have you done? Vaibhav Jain 2. Vaibhav Jain 2. Vaibhav Jain 2. Completed? Vaibhav Jain 2 completed or not? Dhairya Jain. Dhanvi, you are simply sitting. Complete it and fast. Why are you wasting your time? Oof. Yes, Saurya.
मैम मैंने आपको डाल दिया.
Again speak in Hindi.
मैम I have sent you.
Okay, so have you revised it properly?
Yes ma'am.
Have you written your name, class?
Yes ma'am.
Have you downloaded CAM scanner? Means you have made
Yes ma'am.
PDF?
Yes ma'am.
Good. Vinamra Pincha, I want to see your face. How many questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Vinamra, how many questions are left?
Ma'am, only 8, 9, 10.
3 questions are left. Do it fast. Vaibhav 1.
मैम मेरे को 5 और 9 और 10 समझ नहीं आ रहा.
5. Who is the poet? You have to write the name of the poet. ये Daddy fell into the pond जो ये poem है, who has written? You have to write his name. Question and question number 1. What does the poet mean by gray color? Gray color, this word is written in your poem. So what is the meaning of gray color? Who fell into the pond?
मैम स्काई.
Gray color. What is the meaning of gray color? The sky is blue. The sky is gray. So what is the meaning of gray? I already told you the answer whenever I was taking revision. Dhanvi, don't waste your time. You're simply sitting. Do fast. Gaurav Chopra, I want to see your face. Gaurav Chopra. Yes, Suyesh.
मैम मैम मुझे 9 वाला समझ नहीं आ रहा है
And you are speaking in Hindi?
मैम मैं पूरा
Speak in English. Ma'am,
मैम I don't know 9 question answer.
what does the poet mean by gray color? What is the meaning of gray color? The poet is using this word, na? The sky is gray and the day was...
मैम I don't know.
Okay. If you don't know, so leave the question. Next period, I will discuss all the answers. Okay, if you don't know, so don't worry, leave it. I will tell you answer in my next period.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Samiksha,
Ma'am I done.
you have done?
Yes ma'am.
So have you revised, Samiksha?
Yes ma'am. You fell into the pond.
And have you written your name, class?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. If I see no name is there, I will not check your copy.
Okay ma'am.
Have you downloaded Cam Scanner?
Yes ma'am.
Right. Molly, how many questions are left?
मैम मेरे पूरे हो गए 9th वाला बस समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
Molly. Yes.
Yes मैम.
Speak in English. I don't know Hindi. Yes, Molly. Tell me.
Ma'am, I have written all but
how many questions are left?
ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Molly. Yes, Molly.
मैम मैम 6th वाला मुझको समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Gaurav, speak in English. 5th question. Who is the poet of Daddy Fell into the Pond? Who has written this poem? You have to write his name. Who is poet? Vaibhav 2.
Yes ma'am.
Vaibhav 2. How many questions are left, Vaibhav? All questions you have done. Okay, so tell me the answer. I will ask you one question. What is the word meaning of duckweeds? Bolo. What is the word meaning of duckweeds? Okay, man, means you don't know the answer. What is the meaning of duckweed?
मैम इसका नहीं मालूम.
Okay, so what is the meaning of dismal? Bolo, what is the meaning of dismal?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर
मेरा होने वाला है 6th.
बोलो, what is the meaning of dismal? आपने अभी अभी टेस्ट दिया, अभी अभी भूल गए सारे आंसर. Just now you have given test, and after that you forgot.
मैम लाइक बोलते हैं देख के नहीं बिना कैसे बोलो.
Vaibhav, please tell me the
Yes, ma'am.
please tell me the answer. What is the word meaning of grumble?
Grumble.
Okay, that is the answer. That means copy देख के आंसर करके मैडम को भेज दिए.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, तो इतना टाइम लग रहा है आंसर देने में बेटा. Just now you have given the exam, and you are taking so much time to give the answer. Who is the poet of Daddy fell into the pond? Who is the poet? Come on, tell me, Vaibhav. Who is the poet of Daddy fell into the pond? Vaibhav. जल्दी बताओ आंसर. Tell me fast. Vaibhav,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या हो गया? What happened? I will give you a big 0. Vinamra Pincha,
Yes, ma'am.
you are looking superstar. No need to set your hair. बार बार मिरर देख के बाल को सेट करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. You are looking superstar. So can you tell me the answer? What is the word meaning of grumble?
Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, foolish.
Okay, what is the word meaning of duckweed?
Duckweed. Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay, who is the poet of Daddy fell into the pond? That you also don't know. Who else loved
Yes,
to
ma'am.
see Daddy flight? Who else loved
Yes,
to
ma'am.
see Daddy's flight?
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Okay, now your voice is not coming. Ma'am is asking questions and now voice is not coming.
Ma'am,
Who is the poet of Daddy fell into the pond?
Daddy fell into the pond.
Who is the poet?
Poet.
Vinamra, you don't know a single answer. Vinamra,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या कर रहे हो आप दिन भर? What are you doing? How are you spending your day? Only playing, playing and playing. Vinamra,
Yes, ma'am.
how you are spending your whole day? You don't know a single answer. I have given 10 questions. You don't know the answer. Nischay, don't play with your mobile. Keep your mobile inside. Keep your mobile inside. Class is going on. You are playing with your mobile. That is not good. Just now I saw. You are playing with your mobile. What was everyone doing just before Daddy fell into the pond? Can you tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, everyone was grumble and dull. Nobody anything to say and do.
Very good, Nischay. That means Nischay is studying. I'm really happy, but I'm very much disappointed to see Vinamra Pincha and Vaibhav too. Very much disappointed. I'm really very much disappointed. Vaibhav won. Do you know what is the word meaning of duckweed?
Ma'am, duckweed का meaning a teeny fo F O D F O O F L O W I N D F L O W E R I N G. Plant found in water.
Tiny. It is called tiny, not teeny. It is tiny. Flower. Flower. If you add ing, then it is called flowering.
Flowering.
Vaibhav one. Please learn all the question and word meanings. Start learning the other chapters also. Because next week again I will take test. Sore Surana.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is the poet of Daddy Fell into the Pond?
The poet of Daddy fell into the pond is Alfred Noyes.
Have you learned the spelling also?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Very good. Dhanvi. Dhanvi,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done? Have you completed all the answer?
No, ma'am. 3 questions left. Ma'am, जल्दी तक बता रही हूँ.
3 questions are left.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the word meaning of duckweed?
Duckweed. मैंने आपको बताऊँ कौन सा क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखी हूँ.
Okay. Who is the poet of Daddy Fell into the Pond?
The Daddy.
What was everyone doing just before Daddy fell into the pond? What was everyone doing just before Daddy fell into the pond?
मैं लिखती हूँ तो मैं भूल जाती हूँ बार.
Wow, very good. Means you don't know a single answer. Great. Dhanvi? Priyank Jain?